Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and doing your assignments carefully. So, we have done till chapter 1, 4 digit numbers. So, now today we will learn about our next chapter, chapter 2, Roman numerals. Students, before going to understand the concept of Roman numerals, let's understand what is Hindu Arabic number system. Okay. So, this system was adopted by Indian mathematicians, then adopted by the Arabs, and then passed it to the others countries. Clear? Student, we will use the numerals like 0 to 9, digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to write numbers. The digit 0 to 9 are known as decimal system. Clear? The 0 to 9 are known as decimal system. Clear? Now let's understand what are Roman numerals. Roman numerals are numbers system originated by ancient Rome. In Roman system there is no concept of zero. So let's see what is the difference between decimal system and the Roman system. Decimal system means Hindu Arabic numerals. Clear? So the difference is that the Roman system does not use place value, and in Roman system there is no concept of zero. Okay. So children, do you know where the Roman numbers are used? Have you ever seen the Roman numbers? Think and tell me. Yes. In analog what? Clock and classroom numbers like 1, class 2, class 3. Clear? In schools, generally we see the Roman numbers written in the classroom numbers in the schools. Clear? So, now let's understand the Roman numerals and their values. Basically, Roman numerals are the number system that combines 7 symbols. What are these 7 symbols? I, V, X, L, C, D and M to represent numbers. So basically the Roman numerals are the combinations of these letters to write numbers. Clear? So students, let's understand the Roman numerals and their values. Okay. See, the Roman numerals and their values. Here are the Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols to represent the Roman numerals. Okay, and Hindu Arabic numerals. These are the numbers which represent these symbols. Clear? That means I represent 1, V represent 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D which is 500, M which is 1000. Clear? So in Roman numerals we can write any numbers using these symbols and using these combinations of these symbols. I will explain you how to use these symbols to write numbers in Hindu Arabic numerals or system or in number systems. Clear? So first let's see how to write 1 to 10 in Roman numerals. Here is Roman numerals and here is Hindu Arabic numeral system. Clear? So I represent 1, 2 I represent 2, 3 I represent 3, then I, V represent 4, V represent here, V represent 5, so 5, then 6, 5, 1, 5, 1, 6, 5, 2, 7, 5, 3, 1 here is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 3, 8, 1, 9, 1, x, x means 5, 9, clear? 10, here is 10. Just go through these symbols and their representations of number, and please copy the content in your maths notebook, okay? And try to understand the concept of Roman numerals. Here is in your book. So I will give you the images of this page. So just go through these concept of Roman numerals. Then in the next class, I will explain you how to use the combinations of these symbols and rules related to the Roman numerals to forming larger numbers. So there are some rules to form numbers in Roman numerals. I will explain you in the next video. Okay. Till then, bye.